What is the difference between being alive and living?
Welcome to my channel.
Living is experiencing other cultures, going on a journey, going on an adventure, seeing what the world has to offer.
Yeah, we'll see you there.
I want to start living.
Mabuhay Sewus and welcome back to my channel. Our last day here in moalboal. It's now 6:14 in the morning. We are all packed up and ready to go. Just have a little tea and a little breakfast real quick. Like this. Sticky rice wrapped in banana leaves. One of my favorites. So we're getting ready to leave now. We're gonna take the bus from here down to, I think it's called Bitot Pier, or let me check my maps. We gotta get down to Batu, to the Batu port, and take the ferry from there over to Dumaguete. And then we're gonna stay there for one night in Dumaguete. And tomorrow we'll be in Siargao. Don't know what the bus schedule is. So there's buses going all day. So we're just gonna go there where the Jollibee is and wait for the bus. Yeah. Hi, roosters. Alrighty, so that was easy. So once you get on the bus, there's someone walking around and you just pay them. It was $2.80 from moalboal to Batu for the two of us. And now Google Maps says it's 1.5 hours drive, but we'll see. With G streets, it could be longer. Yeah. It's gonna be an adventure ride. We made it. Oh. This was rough. When you get off the bus, you have to take a little scooter ride, trike ride to the port. My bus was shaky. I'm dead. First time? Yeah. Pee. This is bad.
Will be wet and will be wet.
And wet. Look at all these kitties. Hello.
It's everywhere. Hey, man. They got colors on.
Hi. Welcome to our little apartment for the night. Here's the entrance. Didn't realize I had a whole ass apartment. There's the bath, shower, wet room. And here is the bedroom. That's a queen size bed, or maybe full size bed. It's a bit smaller than queen. Everything you need. Extra plugins. Hello. AC. And here's the little living room with the fridge, another AC, a little balcony, a couch to sit on, eating area, and a little kitchenette with high but these are high. I can't barely. That's cool. Got everything you need. And this was only $24 for the night. So yeah, score. Alrighty, so now it's like 10 a.m. And yeah, it's 10:12. We left our last stay at 7 a.m. and we have really good timings today. So we catch the bus at 7 a.m. in the morning. It got there around 7:10. So we got on that to go down to Batu. And I was a little bit confused because then in Batu I thought we had to take the ferry from the Batu port, but we actually went to the, what's it called? Oh, and they have Wi-Fi here as well, so yeah. And there's a rooftop bar up on top. So yeah, at Batu, the bus terminal, you get off the bus terminal and then you take a little trike and go to Liloan port. And from Liloan port, you take the ferry over to Sibulan ferry terminal. And then from that terminal, it's about a 20-minute ride to Dumaguete city. And there's also the Dumaguete port, where you take, your ferries to Sigahor or Bohol, in those areas. So yeah, tomorrow we're gonna take the ferry to Sigahor. Lots of food for $11. The main port. Going this way. Sigahor, 7:20.
Yeah, I'm getting the rest.
Babe, look, 1,000.
Oh. These things,
He's confused.
I think they're hundreds. Good thing you're honest. Take all my money. That's a Filipino.
Yeah. The shock in her eyes.
I know.
You should
What's
have
this
seen
idiot
it.
doing?
Maybe yun po yung Tagbilaran.
Yeah.
Salamat, Mama.
300, thank you.
Thank you.
Apa itu yang Lara? We have found the boardwalk. Dumaguete. They're extending this. Still working on it. That's cool. Nice area to take a walk. Restaurants right here.
Where are you from?
I'm Germany.
Sir, have a seat here. Sir, hi.
I'm sweaty.
It's okay, ma'am. Don't worry, ma'am. We will give you a tissue for you, madam, ha?
Where are you from, ma'am?
Germany, USA.
USA?
Yeah.
How about you, sir? Where you from?
USA.
US. I've been there before.
Where you go?
Yes. Australia.
Oh, Australia.
Yeah. From Melbourne and Sydney, sir. You're so beautiful, mom.
Oh, thank
Do
you.
you speak Tagalog? A little?
Well,
Okay, konti.
But you are Filipina, no?
yeah, I'm Filipino, but I grew up German.
Hi, my name is Athena.
Satina.
Yes, Athena Burica. Charot. How old are you, ma'am?
39.
Oh, huh?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yes.
Oh my God. I didn't expect that you are 39, ma'am.
I'm 39.
You look so young.
Thank you.
This is it, ma'am.
Okay.
So how you get that?
Yes. For example, this one.
So how does it come off?
With makeup remover.
Okay. You don't need to use sharpener, okay, ma'am? All you need to do, ma'am, is to download.
Ah.
Yes, and of course, roll up. This is extraordinary eyebrow.
Magic.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Ah, just follow. Madam, what is your name, ma'am?
Ane.
Ma'am Anne for her Facebook and YouTube, okay?
Yes.
Don't forget to click the button. Look at your eyebrow, ma'am. What can you say about it? Does it look like natural, ma'am?
Yes.
Right?
Very good. Nice. Very good.
Yeah.
Come and say hi.
Hi!
She's the best. Buy her stuff. Bye bye.
Ma'am, what is your... Bye!